Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button guys. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make your comments, also follow our telegram channel so you don't miss out on the next update we'll be sharing with you guys. Now let's take a look at what we'll be anticipating for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. First, let's start with our trend. So we would fully understand what Swiss franc JPY is doing, and then that will enable us to make our prediction. Once again, guys, click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next update. Now let's start with our trend on our Swiss franc JPY on the weekly time frame. This is our high. If you can clearly see that market is trending up, this is the higher low. Market gain give us an higher high, eventually give us a pullback, which is an higher low, right? Market did what again? Give us higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually pushed up again and gave us an higher high before it gave us a pullback to form an higher low, right? Market eventually pushed up again to form an higher high, eventually gave us a pullback, which is an higher low. So market has now pushed up to form an higher high. Is this higher high over? Definitely not. So we still be anticipating for more higher high to be made on Swiss franc JPY. So we will still be anticipating for a further bullish move. So that is to tell you that this week we will be anticipating for a bullish move on our Swiss franc JPY. So more bullish move is what we'll be anticipating and expecting for on our Swiss franc JPY. So whatever thing we want to do, we want to be going long this week on Swiss franc JPY. Now let's take it to our look at our daily time frame. So let's start from here. If this is our high, here is our higher low, right? The market gave us higher high before it did an higher low here, right? Now market has now pushed up to form an higher high, and we will still expect further movement before market will give us a pullback to the test. This is our previous resistance level. So if you take a look at it here, which is on our 4-hour time frame, you will see that market ranged within this level here. You can see it, right. It's ranged within this level. So market eventually broke above it. So in the long run, we'll be anticipating for market to pull back to come retest it. That is why on our daily time frame, you can see that if we expect a little bit of a bullish move, we will be anticipating for a pullback next for market to come to tap this our previous resistance level for market to push up again. So if you are a day trader, I will advise you for your market to pull back to tap our previous resistance level. Then you can now start looking for a buy to enter for a long position on Swiss franc JPY for the week. So do not forget to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and follow our telegram. You'll find the link in the section.